Number 5, Lot S116 is a 1968 Pontiac GTO with a 400 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and air conditioning. And it bid to $47,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 50,669 miles. And it's a exterior color Inferno red, interior color black, and highlights are rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 engine, 2-speed automatic transmission, Inferno red crystal pearl exterior, black interior, bucket seats, center console, air conditioning, heater, sound system, backup camera, and BF Goodrich radial TA white letter tires. And looking at it, it's not a factory color. It's a newer paint color, which looks good on it. And the 2-speed automatic transmission, and it looks like it's vintage air conditioning, aftermarket air was added. So all those things together are probably the reason that it didn't sell, and that's probably the money for it, $47,000. Not being a ground-up restoration or anything, but apparently the seller wanted more than that, so he took her home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.